Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to make this very easy attacking cobra. Here I'm just showing the size reference for the finished model, and first we're gonna grab our square sheet of paper and fold it in half diagonally. Now you're gonna take the corners of the square and fold them towards the center like that. After you've done that on both sides, you're gonna go ahead and grab the sides and once again fold them towards the center line. And next you're gonna basically make a small fold at the lower corner of the rhombus here. Don't fold it all the way, just in the center. And that'll serve us as a guideline for the next step. And for the next step, we're just gonna fold the bottom towards that point after turning the model over. Next, you're gonna fold everything in half. Try and make it as flat as you can. And then I want you to basically look at that small triangle here, and you're gonna fold one layer of paper along the left edge of that triangle, just like that. So for the next step, you're gonna fold the paper back, but this time along the right edge of the same triangle. And when you do that, the model will not be completely flat, as you can see. This is because for the next two steps we're basically going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Once you've done the same thing on the other side, the model should now be completely flat. Next, you're gonna grab the flaps of paper and basically tuck them underneath the triangle on both sides. Now you're gonna open the model, open it up like this, and basically fold the triangle backwards. And next you're gonna make two additional creases on the sides here, just to make it flat again. Here I'm just running my fingers along the top part just to make it flat. And next you're gonna basically open up the side of the model, and here you will find the tail of the cobra. Basically move it outwards like that, and then close it up again and make it flat. Now the very last step, we're gonna fold the corner here to form the head of the snake. Alright, so this is your complete cobra. Now to make it attack, basically press the center of the tail, and then you can squeeze the sides to make it spring back. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you all next time.